Hi viewers, welcome to ChemEasy. In this video, let us discuss Cannizzaro reaction, crossed Cannizzaro reaction and mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. If not subscribed ChemEasy till now, subscribe now to learn chemistry easily. In Cannizzaro reaction, aldehydes lacking alpha hydrogen atom undergo self-oxidation reduction reaction in presence of a strong base to form salt of an acid and a primary alcohol. This self-oxidation reduction reaction, that is redox reaction, can be called as disproportionation or dismutation reaction. Aldehydes like aromatic aldehydes, formaldehyde, trialkyl acetaldehydes, heterocyclic aldehydes undergoes Cannizzaro reaction, but the Cannizzaro reaction best proceeds with the aromatic aldehydes. In Cannizzaro reaction, two molecules of aldehydes are used in which one of the molecule oxidized to the salt of the carboxylic acid and the second molecule is reduced to the corresponding alcohol. You can say this example when two molecules of benzaldehyde undergoes Cannizzaro reaction in the presence of sodium hydroxide. One molecule of benzaldehyde oxidized to the sodium benzoate and another molecule of benzaldehyde reduced to benzyl alcohol. In other example, two molecules of formaldehyde involved which is oxidized to sodium formate and reduced to methanol. Here let us see the mechanism. Initially, hydroxide ion from the base reversibly added to the carbonyl group of one molecule of aldehyde which produces hydroxy alkoxide ion. This hydroxy alkoxide ion transfers its hydride ion directly to second molecule of aldehyde. Then this hydroxy alkoxide ion oxidized to an acid and the second molecule of aldehyde reduced to alkoxide ion. Then the acid and alkoxide ion which are produced involved in a proton exchange and yields alcohol and an acid anion. This acid anion stabilizes itself by delocalization of its charge. So in this example, if two molecules of benzaldehyde taken, finally it produces benzoate ion and benzyl alcohol by redox reaction. Suppose if the Cannizzaro reaction proceeded with a very high concentration of alkali, aldehyde first forms a doubly charged anion. As shown in this example, aldehyde in presence of very high concentration of alkali forms doubly charged anion. This doubly charged anion transfers its hydride ion to a second molecule of aldehyde to yield an acid and alkoxide anion. This alkoxide anion gets a proton from the solvent and finally yields alcohol. In Cannizzaro reaction, two molecules of similar aldehydes undergoes self-redox reaction and produces salt of an acid and the corresponding alcohol. Suppose if the Cannizzaro reaction takes place between two different aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen atoms, then the reaction is called as crossed Cannizzaro reaction. For example, one molecule of benzaldehyde and one molecule of formaldehyde when treated in presence of a base undergoes Cannizzaro reaction and forms benzyl alcohol and sodium formate. This is an example for crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Suppose while using two different aldehydes in which if one of the aldehyde is formaldehyde, this formaldehyde only always undergoes oxidation and produces formate ion and the second molecule of aldehyde which is used will be reduced to the corresponding alcohol. It means formaldehyde will not undergo reduction and it will not produce its corresponding alcohol. The reason formaldehyde is more reactive than other aldehydes towards nucleophile. So the nucleophilic attack occurs more readily on formaldehyde than on other aldehydes. Generally, aldehydes lacking alpha hydrogen atoms undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. Suppose when a mixture of formaldehyde and another aldehyde having alpha hydrogen atom heated with alkali, formaldehyde first added on another molecule of aldehyde. It means it undergoes aldol condensation first to form a hydroxyaldehyde lacking alpha hydrogen atom. This hydroxyaldehyde undergoes crossed Cannizzaro reaction with formaldehyde, which is shown in this example. First, aldol condensation takes place and hydroxyaldehyde produced. There is no alpha hydrogen atom in this hydroxyaldehyde. Now this hydroxyaldehyde undergoes crossed Cannizzaro reaction with formaldehyde and finally gives a primary alcohol and sodium formate. These are an example for Cannizzaro reactions of heterocyclic compounds having an aldehyde group. For example, furfural, which is a furan containing aldehyde group in second position, undergoes Cannizzaro reaction and gives a corresponding alcohol, furfuryl alcohol, and a salt of an acid, sodium furate. In another one example, thiophene 2 aldehyde by Cannizzaro reaction produces 2-thiophene methanol and sodium thiophene 2 carboxylate. When alpha ketoaldehydes and 1,2-dialdehydes treated with a strong base undergoes intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction, here the internal reaction takes place, that is the reaction not between two aldehydes. Within a molecule itself, the Cannizzaro reaction takes place. For example, phenyl glyoxal, which is one of the alpha ketoaldehydes, undergoes internal Cannizzaro reaction and produces mandylate ion, and 1,2-dialdehyde, that is glyoxal, by Cannizzaro reaction produces glycolate anion. In both the example, intermolecular Cannizzaro reaction not present. Both are intramolecular Cannizzaro reactions. Here we have to note some points. Under the influence of concentrated alkali, aldehydes having an alpha hydrogen atom either undergo aldolization or polymerization instead of Cannizzaro reaction. Although Cannizzaro reaction is characteristic of aldehydes lacking alpha hydrogen atom, certain aliphatic alpha monoalkylated aldehydes, as given in this example, undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. For example, isobutyraldehyde undergoes Cannizzaro reaction in the presence of a base and produces isobutanol and sodium isobutyrate.